Hello, 6th grade, and welcome to your teacher's channel. My name is Miss Campbell. I'll be teaching you this year. I just wanted to go over some things on this channel that will help you in the future. So, to begin, let's go over the playlist Language Arts. Let's just view it here. On this, I have a couple of videos that I think will help you. I'll continue to add throughout the year so that the videos on this channel do pertain to the assignments and projects that you'll be doing. Just a couple of things like punctuation, cause and effect, literary genres. All of these things will help you in language arts. Alright, let's go back to our second playlist, mathematics. In this, I have a couple of more difficult standards that we might be learning this year that I wanted to cover with you. So if any time you feel confused on these, ask me and I will let you know if they're on the channel, and if not, I can give you more resources to help you. But this is a starting point for our mathematics this year. Lastly, I made a playlist called Grow. I only have a couple videos in here because I wanted to spend some more time finding appropriate videos that will help you throughout the year. This is not based on academics so much, but more based on things that I think you'll want to learn this year. This first video by Kid President is a pep talk about teamwork and leadership. So in this video, he's just going to give you some inspiring tips and encourage you to be a leader and a team member. And then I'll be adding videos with music as well that I think will lift you up throughout the year whenever you're down. Or if given permission by myself or a parent at home, you can also view the videos in this playlist to take a study break or just give yourself a little pep for the rest of your homework. So yeah, those are the 3 playlists that we're going to start with. I plan on adding more, and I will give you information on that throughout the year. You will never be left in the dark. Alright, thank you.